Karadom pinia daba birta long pen li sami raniti mungpi la pen nona joitha adaba birta angton pen. Karabi Student Association Jinthong Head Branch May Pu Coursing Rongpi Lapen Ari Sang Hwa Tumpen Pai Kuni ni Pai Player ni Jakini Forest IB ki Kimji Pwa Dimalong Kahomrida. Kedam tangarani Jakini Forest IB ki Kimji Aphanpura Karabi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Arideng Pen Long E Sompon. Labang Sualong A Kisomahut MP Horen Singbe MLA Rup Singh Terong Lapen MAC ke doan atumta cetong duriti. Sitame Labang So IB ki Kim Kirang Jipu Along A adu ya hoy ke do jatalong war achumang atum ajokang Tengapura hot ke somalong A Phodamsi Phalang nu etlo. Lasila Swaputha Karabi Anglong Autonomous Council Team Atumpen Non Kibang Journey Kopi Kosona Saisi Deng Pon Pumaposi Alang ni Tumpen Karjupado. Lapen lapuson ke klaim atuma phan soda pen Ingsai Nangji Puta KSA Jinthong Head Branch Atumpen Pachini.
To pinilitum Karbi Lucharli Asong Jinthong Head Branch Karbi Student Association Jinthong Head Branch pinilitum badak jatalong war Bosti meter jatalong wara rongalong nitum kedam tang ni phai krihinier ni litum kaching hon Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asong japu akehai Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alang rideng pen dak jatalong Forest IB kikim jelong labang solong e kisompon along alang rideng mesin kupon lo labang solong alang li tum tim Karbi Anglong litum kacetadun 20 nong botang so LAC akehai Sarup Singh Teron alang litatu sologot alang lidong litum MP Francing dia lang litum tadi alang tim Karbi Anglong alang tum celang petpensi alang jatalong warboski Forest IB kikim jelong Dr. Tuliram Ronghang rideng pese alang li labang solong ing kupon labang su along ing kupon terapi ni phai krihiniar ni sama long otlang nu abang thu atum mate ladak adungare gitu khasia kote tum alang itu marideng pen labang su along e phangno pondak nasi labang su kepa no pondak abang phu tum phanil tum sodak pen pinrem lo sodak pen tum kondem lo labang su abang phu tum madule phangno setame labang su along e ke phangno abang phu abang pia tum phan nil tum Karbi Lucharli Asong pen pinrem ponsi alang litum phan prabjing pen loen order atum Prabjing pen alang litum phan ritarlip nang lapen nepon vek nang pusin niltum Karbi Lucharli Asong Jinthong Head Branch lapen ke ladak ke do ana aratum pen niltum chuning ripon lo lapen lasona bang phutum kiwang jelangar ni same kaching thura molong ke kham khia bang phu abang phitum madu phan setame arona teng pen ingsai pon nangji lapen ke alang litum phan sodak pen ritarlip pon vek nang pusin niltum chuning ripon lo lapen ladak niltum ahoyalong ke do Khei thom do la khei thom ang bongke niltum Karbi Nepali lapen ke khasi da khei thom korte banga thom ang bong se chinghon chingjin thek the alang litum yong se nang che plak na che plek dun doko lapen la ja pek ja hoi khei long riamen pen yong se alang litum nang ka che plak dun pen nang dudun thek the polang te alang litum ing samjin pen alang litum chiterek mate dam joi sikimi jong se nang litum nang dudun ji polotang te la Karbi Anglong arlo nang tum nang dudun pameka nangji nang thakdun pameka nangji nilitum nang litum man thangna tang ka siksak tawe samen non ason kaching thura mo along nang litum nang ke kham khidun bo bangke nilitum pen ning duk la pen ning oi pon la pipot ma la song kaching thura mo ke la ke komane akhai phan wala ma litum ahoya duye tum ha kaching thur nang kilelo la son ke kham khia abang phu tum phan ke litum ingsai pon vek nangji la pen prabjing pen ne pon vek nangji lapen nili son kachuni rikang tung ke lahin lo niltum Karbi Lucharli Asong pen kachuni rikang tung abang ke ladak kaiki masatame khasia korte atum Karbi Anglong pen kaching thur amu ke klem pon oteng alang litum neng ke kham khedun Meghaloi block 2 pu alang litum kachipu pen kaiki stame kaching thur amu long nang kachekroi dun thekte pharukrisir ke ra phokebra isi ningkan dak boundary chi thak det pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council celong lok api alang litum piniar ninta nitum along lelang walang litum kachipu bangke aga chok chedaji tasi nang litum yong se khasia korte tum same ni lichuning rilo je nang litum yong se Karbi Anglong arlo nang dudunji pute arona tanga teng pen nang dunang thakdun bedangi pipot ma niltum Karbi korte tum same Meghalaya arlo du lapen kaprek ader long ta dudun setami ni dudun vet thak dun vet hadak arona teng ben sini litum du thak du lasi nang litum setami tang nang du nang thak dun vet nang ipu sini litinang rila jong se nang litum arona teng pe ladak arat lo karbiang long arat lo punang litum nang dudun thek thedet lo pulote kiwang jelang arani nilitum setami kaprek asai deng ponang kok tahai lapen kaprek ang deng mat ponang kok tahai pusi nili nang litum han pachini lo lapen la boson ke klema bang phua bang phia phan ke khelam jong pen pepin pen madu phanle madu le choklem sata madu le chok chesta me sodak pen ingsai pon vek nangi le pen ritarli pon vek nangi pu labang so press media long labang so social media long sami nili labang so electronic media long sami nili klar dak pen pachini pon so
KSing long po Haraghat Regional Committee atum pen patra piponsi pini Children's Day Catalona long patiton dunsi ningkan po pen ningkan kripli arta au sumaratuma phan kilometers pli so se ajak thong nok beke kat kachpate kapidapona birata kat news ase malong birata nangli Children Day Catalona long patiton dunsi KSing long po Haraghat Regional Committee atum pen thong nok beke kat kachpate ada por phai trokra achiti mapor pen pangchingpong thong nok beke kat kachpate along Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Teron pensi kachpate ingpu pipong la pen nong ekipia je mekalong alhi sarpia man pen gold medalist sangpi pokhila ingtipi man pengal hiaman pen Phuloni Circus Mandal Dhoni Tokbi la pen phapang jangal hiaman pen Phuloni Circus Amandal Rustom Tiso atum chetong don ke kat kachpate along nong ea phan dihin kirap dunatum ke chingsia nong ea phan bid officer Baburam Singnar adun thua nong ea phan Phuloni Circus Mandal Rustom Tiso lapen nong ea harlunga phan KSA Meipu thang sing timung atum cherap dun lasto kachpate along bangthom kep sose kachpate dunatumang bongpen ke chingsia nong e Probina Stopo adun thua nong e Sarhon Ingleng lapen ke thomang ding anong e Dhoniram timung atom si chepalong dunlong
Children Day ani pajeton si la Haraghat Regional Committee alangli budo teron alangli pen terang la Japon si pini la so marathon race kideng pon mangi meeting alangli phana me chorolo la si ritu kado kameta la pusinon karbilong tame marathon race atumi tame dolo la si la so chengbom dobom pen la si ritum non ithu kitho me bitumi tame latum long latum kosam salang to makemang ma la so kemang no itum chetodum si karbeng long tame sport abang pa develop nang ji sport kithek pen tame tum sport sakuri tame tum joy ke penong ji non ke sport policy me pi la jongsi national si medal long lopote tum la por he arrange lang pon si la son si bitum mesen our warring our sa tame joy ke penong ji la se non tame defense in ponota manen sportmen tuman ke chengsi la tum han si penipon ji important and pon la se non tame dam tang tame sportmen tum sakuri long lo la si sakuri mate unemployee paveji pote la sport pen tame mesen atawar do possible mata pon asi itu ma talent topic karbi somar to medi lasi kado beta wang pen nang bar pen la sport karbi no sport pa develop fan kado beta nang chira pang chetu dum se nili tame chuni nili pon
polo ang mane pajur pon pelo do pon bom po asi mo pele tu prangjong le tum gor medalist ka hai pi sang pi pugla le ing tipi stame lang lis tame abang soputhak khano sport ahin bes tame le tu penaan job pen chenglok kaprek awar sai tameli tu ui kimi tum han ureng awar sai abang he kelong joy ki pusalang lis tame puro lapen nitu labang so bang ke anti drugs awareness campaign na sono la se labang so tum sport ana jong se tum akhe ui kimi tum satame labang le tum chihung lo polo tang le tum drugs mate la raki hormu kirim labang le tum ing ar chaji pusile tum mathapo asila lahai hui matha pon sele tum labang so marathon race pen chenglok ne tum marathon la ke kat kache pate der le tum ki bipon ale along ka pre ka branch song le tum football khela la pen volleyball ke pathu kache pate stamele tum deng pon bom la se marathon race bang tum KSA Haraghat Regional Committee pen bang non se
tang thi non malom so pora phan birata mo ington iksna birata kime nang ni tumapang isi bilta kime. Dong si nang ni tum hem ta chukim Japan hon mohortar kelong Japan kiri ta siksat dopok pulote ili tum kar biang bong pen kang pucheng apulat MS Hanse Brothers Hardware along hummi damit no. Ladak nang ni tum hem ta chukim Japamu ang ton pen long igji. Lasonsi tin electrical items, light bulb, ceiling light, pens, board, nails, plumbing pipe, rope, coil, putty, ready-made doors, syntax, tap, wash basin, pen chain lock, kapre ahamu sitame long igji. Lasi humre iknong MS Hanse Brothers Hardware. Adim laki dong mukak samilang sorot near petrol pump Karbianglong. Ang susay katingi kuji pan la aver kipi anambara lang humre iknong.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্চ জুচ বাইদি বেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰ ৰসটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰ ৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্চ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্চ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
কাঞ্চ জুচ
Dinamo pit puthot birta long wang trik long. Karbianglong alo chingthunang jipuak kimang pen West Karbianglong umruguti Meghalaya hoy kedayalong CEM Dr. Tuliram Mongha arudeng pen Forest IB ki kim kerang ponchia phanpura ke somalong e azwa porpang thek the Meghalaya sor kaphalang nu era puthak pini ke asing long pho methang asahe malong phirang ke me kapidopo Perang ke amaya long pang thek the Meghalaya sor la puson ke klem ke ningduk lo. Lapen la so puthak probjin pen CEM Dr. Tuliram Longhang pen la puson otlang no ke klem atuma phan ingsai bek namji. Lapen khasi lo chari asong atong la puson klem klera mesen ingsam jin pen aduya hoy pharokri sir kepra pho kepra isianika demarcation boundary ateng chedo wet nangji pusi KSA pen tuningri. Lapen aposon ke klem ke KSA pen ning duk luputa pherang ke amaya long ningje.
As per the government notification in 1959, because everyone has been very much aware that Karbianglong district was formed in 1951 and the Meghalaya state was formed in 1971. So see the difference. This is the big difference. 1951, the Karbianglong has formed the district, and in 1971, the Meghalaya has created from Assam. So there may be some disputed area between the Assam and Meghalaya, but we understand that bordering to Karbianglong with Meghalaya, this cannot be called as a disputed area, because in 1951, this is the government notification, and we should honor and we should respect our government notification. From Meghalaya side, the Meghalaya administration cannot claim that this Block 1, Block 2 and PCR is the integral part of Meghalaya. They cannot claim that. And the Assam has already declared that Karbianglong was formed in 1951, and according to that notification, we have properly demarcated our area. So we cannot say that in bordering to Karbianglong, there is a disputed in border area. So this is a request to all the Khasi brothers, and this is a request to the Meghalaya government regarding the border issue, that we should not create and we should not instigate our people by claiming that this is the Meghalaya land, by claiming that this is the Meghalaya habitat area. The border issue is the subject of central government, and we hope that the central government will take very seriously to solve this border issue, because more than 30-40 years we have been facing a very big strategy regarding this border issue. Every year we used to have a clash, and we don't want the communal clash. We don't want like creating the communal violence between the Khasi brothers and the Karbi brothers, because we have been saying that the Khasi and the Karbis are brother and sister. We are coming from the same ancestor. We should not create the violence. We should not disturb. We should not inharmony our district. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Dr. Tuliram Ronghang has been inaugurated there and laid the foundation stone there for construction of Forest IB. Because as a responsible CM of Karbi Anglong, she knows very well, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang knows very well that the area where they had laid the foundation stone, this is a very integral part of Karbi Anglong. That's why officially she went with all the MACs and all the MPs and all the MLAs. Officially they have inaugurated the Forest IB there. Because they know very well. They know very well that this Sabuda area is the integral part of Karbi Anglong in Assam. And after laying down of the stone for construction of the Forest IB, some of the miscreants is trying to claim and trying to say and trying to create inharmony, trying to disturb the situation in border. So this is a very much depressing. We Karbi Student Association would like to express. So,
since 1951, the people living out there in the Chinthom constituency, especially the bordering Meghalaya border, has been complaining and blaming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for sort of development in any form. It may be infrastructural form, it may be educational form, or it may be in any form. Rasta Puduli nai, school nai, eco development nai boli ajiloke border thaka, Meghalaya border thaka, Khasia ho, Karbi ho, Gorkha ho, jiman community ase border area, ajiloke eco development nai boli Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council karne blame kuri ase, complaint kuri ase. Tente after decades, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under the leadership of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang or leadership of teo try kuri ase, ব্যবস্থা kuri ase je border area, especially Meghalaya border area under Chinthom constituency, teo chesta kuri ase je rasta puduli keneka bunabo lage aru Forest IB keneka bunabo lage, tate keneka system of schools and colleges keneka bunabo lage, teo try kuri ase. Eneka situation or some miscreants, ami kunuba tribes ba kunuba community karni ami blame nokuru directly. Kunuba miscreant tate ahikini Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council official juntu itu foundation stone juntu IB Sabuda te lay korise teo itu ahikini itu bhongai dia tu. This is an insult to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and from this point of view ami kobo bisaru je border area thaka manu bilage ki anti development niki তেওঁলোকে কি development ni bisare niki তেওঁলোকে কি tamane itiao dual standard thakibo bisarise niki je Meghalaya pura opportunity lobo paru Karbi Anglong pura to opportunity lobo paru kisuman manu tak some anti government anti development agent thake তেওঁলোকে কি itiao tamane system thakibo ni bisare niki when the government is
Tang te pinia da babirta bangila pansi kangton iklong kato kaveta domi thakmi kurbang thu.